Eventually, 1 year and 8 months after I took the IELTS exam and then I passed, I immediately looked for an agency. At that time, there were a lot of agencies looking for nurses. There were a lot. First agency na in-applyan ko was UCLH actually. And yung in-applyan ko was Neonatal Intensive Care Unit. I actually traveled from Tacloban to Cebu and I just didn't do well with the interview process. So, meron silang mga nurses from the UK na pumunta talaga ng Pilipinas para mag-conduct ng interview. And the interview process was like dreadful. It was like an OSCE kind of thing na parang demonstration. Mayroon talagang baby na mannequin tapos tinatanong ano yung problema ng baby. Merong parang blood dun sa diaper and something. And hindi kasi ganun ka-intensive yung experience ko kasi maliit lang yung hospital namin na private hospital yung pinagtrabahuan ko. So basically, I failed.